Hi everybody, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex. I'm going to be posting two separate videos this weekend. This one here is a live trade that I called in the signals group because we do have a signal service, but it's only available if you have purchased our trading system. After that, you will see it inside the tutorials, the option to be able to do so if you want, okay? But anyway, here's a trade I called on yesterday, okay? Yesterday required a little bit of patience. As you can see, it went sideways for a little while and then it just dropped right off. And as I told them in the group, see, this is why you can lose a few trades and still end the week as a big winner, because with your stop loss, sometimes you lose a few pips here or there on a couple of trades, but especially this week because news was really tough. This week you had the CAD news that came out that spiked really bad. Some of you guys who lost trades on the CAD don't feel bad, so did I. It was due to the oil inventory that came out, and there's a whole bunch of countries, and I don't have time to get into all that, but basically that news that came out and it just spiked the pairs on the CADs. So you take a few hits here and there, but you know, you can still get one good trade and stack it real nicely. And as you can see, I'm stacked up pretty nicely on this position here. Got a bunch of different positions. I got 11. I didn't know I had 11. I thought I had 10, but got 11 different ones, and I just stacked up real nicely on the pair that I saw a nice setup on, and still ending the week close to 400 pips. So it's okay. It happens. Don't take it personal. You just go move on to the next trade. But before I end this video, I just really want to show you guys what we do over here in Super Easy Forex. Clearly, even here, you can see triple arrows came across right here. Right there, 1, 2, 3, and then we had the eventual drop off. Okay, so anyway, just want to do this short video. My other video that I'm going to be posting, you'll see that one today as well. It was a trade that I took the other day, made 111 pips, I think, off a 15-minute chart. Because a lot of people ask all the time, do you guys have scalping methods with your trading system? We do, but we don't scalp using the same methodology that most traders do. I even took my son. I have two sons who trades in the market. They have their own style of trading and stuff like that, which is fine. I took my youngest one to lunch yesterday, and we were sitting down looking at the charts together and so forth. And I taught him why you got to be extremely careful when trading the markets on the scalping methods that most people are being taught. And what I had him do was to completely close his computer. And he said, well, how are we going to talk about scalping? I said, let me teach you what the brokers and the market makers are doing. I said, do you know they can make couple of million dollars a day and never take one trade? Because in essence, the way the market is telling people to teach young new traders on how to scalp the market, it's basically set up in the broker's favor so that they're constantly setting up different obstacles to take your money. And we're still up. See, it's still dropping 410 pips while I'm talking. So anyway, we do it a little bit differently. So when you join, we do have tutorial videos showing you different ways of trading with the exact same system. Sometimes we have a long-term trading style. We have a short-term trading style. We have many different ways that we use our trading system, and you'll learn that once you sign up. But the other videos show you just a little short clip of a live trade on GBP. I think it was GBP NZD, where I literally took it, closed out in 111 pips or something. It even went further than that. It went to 120 something pips. But hey, like I said in the video, why be greedy? You know, that was a quote unquote my style of scalping. Took my money and ran. Okay, so either way it goes, you know, hey, I lost a couple of trades this week, but with the 111 on that one, this one bouncing around the 400 mark, it's still a good week. Okay, so anyway, I'll see you inside the group. Again, if you want to sign up, just go to supereasyforex.com, click on the join button, and once you click on the join button, you'll go ahead and sign up using the PayPal link, and then after you've signed up, just log right back in with the username and password that you created to get started with the tutorials. You can do that this weekend so that you'll be ready to go. I'll be live in class on Tuesdays and Wednesdays like I do every week, and that schedule will be inside of your tutorials as well. Last thing that I always get a question about, well, with the signal service, can I actually just buy the signal service without the... No. Why? Because what I want you to do is educate you. We have not just myself provide signals, we have 2 other professional traders in our group who provides different signals. What we want you to do is to verify the trades using our system before you take the trade. What if you don't like it? I could be tripping one day and sending out a crazy signal. You don't want to blindly take signals. That's why many of you guys who paid for signal services, it just didn't really work out because realistically, it didn't fit your style of trading. Like I trade one way, the other 2 traders, they trade a different way. We actually have one of them in there who holds scalping sessions for our signal group, right? That's their thing. We have another person who trades, a different way, but it's good signals. Me, I'm more of a long-term kind of person. That's more my style. So you'll get the different flavors of the different styles in there. You get what I'm saying? But nevertheless, you'll know what you're looking at. You'll learn. And also they hold classes themselves during the week for the signal service, which is separate from what we do. So we have plenty of education once you come in. It's not like you pay and you're left alone on your own. No. And that's part of the signal service. But again, if you don't want to join the signal service, that's no problem. You can still join the regular group with us. And we have free classes for that as well. No problem at all. Either way it goes, you'll learn once you sign up. Everything will be in the tutorials for you, okay? All right. Anyway, I'm going to go hang out with my wife and enjoy the weekend. You guys have a great weekend. And again, for those who sign up this weekend, I'll see you on the inside next week, okay? Have a great day. Bye.